How is everyone doing today? I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. This is Mystery Plate Package 293. Are you excited? You ready for this one? This one envelope's like a weirder, crappier color. I don't know why. It's all beat up. So I picked it. The plate's super heavy, just as beat up as this envelope. You guys enjoying these videos? Huh? What do you think it is? Orange and black? Make sure you go over to YouTube and watch the full-length video if you're not there already. Shout out to everyone. Love you all for watching my videos. Let's see what we got. Mystery Plate Package 293. Colorado 1933 415953. Black on orange. We probably clean this plate up. It's a little bit of rusty crusty, but it's heavy. Looks like it oiled the back. You know, let's make it as crusty as possible. So if you want to know more about what was going on in Colorado, 1933 Colorado, I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy, and you know where to find me. The one and only YouTube. Greatest place there is for license plate videos. Okay, I know I sound like an idiot, but that's what happens. I'm out of here. Woo! This one's cool. Mystery Plate Package 293. Special features. 1933 Colorado. Black on orange. 1933 Colorado. Found this cool city view from up above. We also found out they had some massive floods. Water everywhere. And the aftermath was horrendous. But these license plates survived. And we found some cool ones. There's a lost plate. Oh, lose your plate. You get a new one. They throw lost on there maybe to shame you. There's trailer dealership. There's also a trailer plate. This one's really cool coming up. A press car. Like, how neat is that? A press car plate? I feel like there's one more on there to show you. Trailer, truck dealer. Maybe there's a truck plate. I don't know. But there's another one we're going to show you. Whatever it was, it's there. 1933 Colorado. Black on orange. I like the make of this plate. They got some cool ones. Mine's just a normal passenger, but I'd love to find some of these other cool specialty ones. I found this cool World Fair Progress for Silver Colorado coin too from 1933. Super cool. Silver. It's worth a lot right now. A lot. Unless it's crashed by the time I post this video, but we're going to show you those license plates once more at the end, if I can make it work that way. So you can see a truck and a trailer dealer and a lost plate and a press car. Sweet, right? I like it. Mystery Plate Package 293. I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Find some cool stuff. Go on an adventure. Get into trouble. Hit someone with a steel chair. Do whatever you want. It's your life. Make your own decisions. But hit that subscribe button. Okay, I'm out of here.